What's going on, everybody? It's Cam here at All Things Automotive, and today we have a 2010 GMC Canyon SLE, right around 78,000 miles, I believe, on this one. So, I mean, it's in really good shape for being 10 years old, I guess you could say. So, we'll do a little walk around here. First thing you'll notice is chrome in the bumper and on the grill. Nice silver colored paint on this one. Factory fender flares. Big tires on there, looks like Mastercraft Coursers. They're actually ATX's ones, so they got the little bit of aggressive tread on them. See, brakes and rotors in there look fairly new. Tires have plenty of tread left on them for sure. This one is a crew cab, not an extended cab. Does have a drop-in bed liner in the back. Also does have the hitch down there with your plug on the side. Let's take a little peek here in the back. Show you everything on the inside here. It does have cup holders right there in the back seat. Alright, so for on the inside, you have all your electronic controls here for your windows, locks, and mirrors. Headlight controls are here on the left with your parking brake. Alright, so on the inside here, you got your turns, your wipers and your turn signals here on the left, and then you have your gear shifter over here on the right. It does have your four-wheel drive selector up top here with your four ways. Actually, let me go ahead and just start everything up here so you can see everything, see the miles. There you go, 79.8, so not 78,000, 79,800 on this one at the time. So, it does have the older style radio and everything on it, with all the turn dials and your presets and everything. Down here is all your AC controls, left side your temp, middle is your fan, and then that's your presets for where you want your AC to blow out. Up top, just got your standard kind of visors. It does have a mirror on the passenger side. End of the glove box still has the factory books in there, you can see. And then that white sheet on top is a safety checklist sheet that we do here to make sure the vehicle is perfectly safe for you. So, a little bit on the center console, plenty of extra coin storage, stuff right there, 2 cup holders. And it does have a top piece here, lifts up, and then does have a bottom piece here as well, and also lifts up. So, and that's about it for the inside. We'll go ahead and do a final walk around here. We try to be as transparent and upfront about everything as possible, show you all the great things about a vehicle, as well as any minor flaws it may have. But if you can already tell, the good thing about this vehicle is that it's a 2010 with extremely low miles for the year. So let's have a couple little stone chips up top there. This left front fender flare right there has got a little bit of paint peeling. Don't see any door dings or anything like that. Take a look at the roof. See no damage up there or anything. Just have a little mark right there. Around the back and everything, all cleaned up. Does have a scratch right there. A few little marks down the corner and down here on the trimming. There's some marks. But I would say overall, so this truck being 10 years old and the miles it has on it, it's in extremely great shape. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 717-485-4224. Sales extension is 1502. If you don't have time to give us a call, you can always look us up on the web at allthingsautomotive.com and request information about this truck as well as any other vehicle we have on our lot directly through our website. So thanks for watching, guys, and hope you have a wonderful day.